Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. D-Car Power Seat Switch Repair, a simple fix for comfort control. Car power seat switches play a crucial role in modern vehicles, enhancing comfort and ergonomics for drivers and passengers. However, issues with these switches can arise, disrupting the smooth operation of adjusting seat positions. Repairing faulty power seat switches can offer a cost-effective solution compared to opting for replacements, saving both time and money. Let's look into common power seat switch problems and explore the practical steps to troubleshoot and repair them efficiently. Understanding car power seat switches. Power seat switches play a crucial role in electronically adjusting seat positions, providing convenience and comfort to drivers and passengers. These switches are equipped with various components that work in unison to control the movement of the car seat effortlessly. Components of a power seat switch. Within a typical power seat switch, you can find essential internal components like contacts, resistors, and wiring. Contacts serve as the connection points that facilitate the flow of electrical current, while resistors regulate the voltage levels. The wiring acts as the pathway through which the electrical signals travel to adjust the seat position. When a driver operates the power seat switch, these components collaborate to smoothly move the car seat forward, backward, up, or down according to the desired adjustment. Signs of a faulty power seat switch. Identifying a faulty power seat switch is crucial for maintaining driver comfort and safety. Common symptoms include non-responsive switches, erratic seat movement, or partial functionality. When these issues arise, they can impact the driver's ability to adjust the seat position accurately, leading to discomfort and potentially compromising driving stability. Recognizing these signs early on can prompt timely repairs or replacements to ensure a smooth and safe driving experience. Understanding the intricacies of power seat switches and recognizing the signs of malfunction empowers drivers to take prompt action to address any issues that may arise, enhancing overall comfort and safety on the road. Whether equipped with toggle switches or multi-directional control pads, power seat switches are essential components that contribute to a seamless driving experience. Diagnosing power seat switch problems. Have you ever struggled with a malfunctioning power seat switch in your car? Diagnosing these issues can be a daunting task, but with a few simple steps, you can troubleshoot and identify the root cause of the problem. Let's delve into the essential methods for diagnosing power seat switch problems. Testing for electrical continuity. When your power seat switch stops functioning, the first step is to test for electrical continuity. Using a multimeter, you can check the flow of electricity in the switch circuit to detect any open or short circuits that may be causing the malfunction. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle is turned off to prevent any electrical mishaps. To start, disconnect the power source and remove the switch cover. Set your multimeter to the continuity setting and touch the probes to each terminal on the switch. If there is no continuity when the switch is in different positions, it indicates a problem with the electrical flow. Be cautious when working with electrical components to avoid injury or damage. Inspecting for physical damage. Another crucial aspect of diagnosing power seat switch problems is inspecting the switch for physical damage. Worn-out contacts or loose connections can lead to issues with the switch functionality. Carefully examine the switch for any visible signs of wear or damage. If you notice worn-out contacts, gently clean them using a contact cleaner or a soft cloth. Ensure the contacts are free from dirt or debris that could be hindering the electrical connection. For loose connections, securely tighten the wires or terminals to restore proper functionality. Repair any minor damages promptly to prevent further issues down the line. By following these steps and conducting thorough testing and inspection, you can successfully diagnose power seat switch problems and take the necessary steps to repair them, restoring smooth operation to your car's power seat function. Remember, safety is paramount when working with electrical components, so always proceed with caution and attention to detail. Repairing a car power seat switch. When it comes to repairing a malfunctioning car power seat switch, sourcing replacement parts and mastering soldering techniques are essential steps for a successful repair. Let's delve into the key components of this process. Sourcing replacement parts. To kick off your repair journey, sourcing high-quality replacement parts is crucial. Reliable sources for purchasing components like switches, resistors, or wiring harnesses include reputable auto parts stores, online retailers, or even directly from the manufacturer. Remember, using OEM, original equipment manufacturer, or compatible parts is pivotal for ensuring a seamless repair that restores your power seat switch to optimal functionality. Soldering and reassembly. Once you have the necessary replacement parts at hand, it's time to dive into soldering and reassembly. Begin by carefully desoldering the old components from the power seat switch circuit using a soldering iron and desoldering braid. Next, leverage your soldering skills to attach the new components securely in place, ensuring a strong and reliable connection. As you reassemble the switch, pay attention to the intricate details of aligning the components correctly and securing them in place. Once reassembly is complete, embark on conducting final functionality tests to ensure that the repaired power seat switch operates smoothly and efficiently. A fast-paced but meticulous approach to soldering and reassembly is key to unlocking the full potential of your repaired car power seat switch. By following these steps with precision and attention to detail, you can breathe new life into your car's power seat switch and enjoy a comfortable and convenient driving experience. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to refine your soldering techniques for future repairs and upgrades. Preventive maintenance and tips. Car power seat switches play a crucial role in ensuring a comfortable driving experience. To prevent potential issues and extend the lifespan of your power seat switches, incorporating preventive maintenance practices is key. By following these simple yet effective tips, you can keep your power seat switches in optimal condition for longer. Regular cleaning procedures. Regularly cleaning your car's power seat switches is essential to prevent dirt buildup or corrosion that can hinder the switch's performance. To clean the switches effectively, begin by gently removing any visible debris using a soft, dry cloth. Avoid using harsh chemicals that may damage the switch. Instead, opt for a mild cleaning solution diluted in water to wipe down the switches gently. For harder-to-reach crevices, utilize a small brush or compressed air to dislodge any accumulated dirt. Ensure that the switches are completely dry before operation to prevent any potential damage. By incorporating regular cleaning into your maintenance routine, you can help prolong the lifespan of your power seat switches and maintain their functionality. Best practices for longevity. In addition to regular cleaning, following best practices can significantly impact the longevity of your car's power seat switches. Avoid applying excessive force when operating the switches, as this can lead to premature wear and tear. Be gentle yet deliberate in your actions to ensure smooth functionality over time. Another crucial aspect is to periodically inspect the wiring connections of the power seat switches. Loose or damaged connections can hamper performance and even pose safety risks. During routine maintenance checks, ensure that all wirings are secure and free from any signs of wear or corrosion. Furthermore, storing your vehicle in a sheltered environment can shield the power seat switches from extreme temperatures and moisture, which can compromise their effectiveness. By parking your car in a garage or shaded area, you can help preserve the integrity of the switches and prevent unnecessary damage. By incorporating these preventive maintenance tips into your routine, you can safeguard your car's power seat switches and enjoy a comfortable and hassle-free driving experience for years to come. In closing, ensuring the proper functioning of your car power seat switch is crucial for both your driving comfort and safety. By proactively addressing any issues with timely repairs and maintenance, you can enhance your overall driving experience. Remember, a well-maintained power seat switch not only adds convenience but also contributes to a safer and more enjoyable journey. Don't wait until it's too late. Take charge of your car's power seat switch today and drive with peace of mind. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.